Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset Vivo phone. So here I have Vivo Y200e 5G in my hand, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset Vivo phone. Okay, to do factory reset, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings, if we scroll down to the bottom, here you can see system, tap on system, and you can see reset options, tap on it. So here you can see reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, reset app preferences, reset all settings, and erase all data factory reset. Tap on erase all data factory reset, and guys, read it carefully. Erase all data factory reset. This will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. So you can see on bottom, erase all data. Simply tap on erase all data, and you can see erase all data. Again tap on erase all data. Okay, now it will restart. And you can see it is clearing data. Do not use the device during clearing data. Okay, so factory reset completed, and after factory reset it might take some time to boot up the device. And after factory reset, when you come to the setup screen, simply follow the instructions and use the device. So guys, this is the method to factory reset a Vivo phone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.